Ew. This is an entire product dedicated to nose hairs removal.
I'm generally a pretty hairy person, and that extends to my nostrils.
And for some reason, I think it's not gonna hurt. I think I have a pretty high pain tolerance, but I also, like, 30% of me thinks I'm gonna start crying.
No, I don't think it's gonna be painless. I think it's gonna hurt, and I will cry and or scream. 2, 1.
My nose is so warm. Okay.
It smells like if something really bad happened with vanilla candle. They look super cute.
I feel like I just have, like, what are those, like, whiskers?
Nervous about the pull, but I'm too far into it to change my mind. Oh wait, it's like, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I got it on my mustache. There's gonna be patches of my mustache that's missing. This is gonna really suck.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God!
3. Ew, that is so much. It's like down to the pore. That didn't really hurt. I was right.
Oh, shoot, I missed it. Oh! Oh! Ow! That hurt a little bit. Ew, I have so much hair. This is disgusting.
It's like a brief 2-second bit of pain. That's not bad. Usually after I get waxed other places, I'm like in pain for a solid few minutes.
It's the mustache. It's the mustache. Oh, gosh, that hurt. You know, it didn't really like ruin my mustache. That's the good news. Oh, ooh, oh, my nose feels free.
I think this is so funny, and this is a lot of fun. It's kind of like a pore strip. You pull it off and you see what has been living in your face or on your face.
For gross video watchers everywhere, this is like the best thing.
So yeah, it got all over my mustache, and that was actually the part that really hurt. Word to the wise, be very careful if you have a mustache. Avoid that at all costs.
You know, it was easy enough to do. It's clearly effective, as you can tell by the amount of hair. So I'd recommend it.